Organize your work and juggle multiple projects with vcita's client nesting capabilities. With nesting, multiple individuals or items can be created under a single main contact. These items can be anything from students to patients, projects to properties, or even multiple jobs nested under a main contact. You decide. Switch easily between items in the client card to see the appointments, payments, documents, and messages related to each one, and create new interactions with the click of a button. The contact on file will be the point of contact for all of the items nested under them, giving them total visibility over their open items or dependents. To manage them, clients can log into their own personal client portal. From here, it's easy to pay bills, schedule appointments, send messages, and more, all within the context of the item or individual. Switch between items at any time right from the dashboard. Ready to get started with nesting? Navigate to your business info settings and pick a custom term that works for your business, or stick with the default term, clients. You can still use your nesting feature either way. Then start adding items. Created items and individuals appear in your client list. Search and filter to find just what you're looking for. Then, send bookings, payment requests, documents, and more for specific items and individuals. As you start to receive interactions related to specific items, they appear in your account linked to both contact and the nested item. Guess what? You're all ready to leave the nest. Visit our Help Center for more information.